Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Come with us as we go bowling. Me, my two youngest children, and their father, honey. Okay, so, honey, right here, I am trying to get the bowling board because this guy right here to the left, okay, honey, let's just say he was the praying mantis, okay? I don't know why I came up with that name as we was bowling, but this guy, you know, he was really, 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 really good. Now, he wasn't better than me. Okay, no, he was. Okay, when it came to bowling, honey, he was striking, squatting, okay? He was doing whatever it was needed in order for him to hit those balls. Okay, you get what I'm saying? Okay? All right? He was doing the thing. He was giving some inspiration for me because, honey, I kept on looking over to the left side of me where he was, okay? And I was like, oh, maybe I need to do some of the moves he was doing because he was striking. He was doing it all, okay? Here I go. Okay, honey, you see those 2 pins left. Come on, girl. Okay? Honey, who said I couldn't bowl? Honey, I'm better than better. Okay? Here we got up. My youngest daughter, honey, she tried. You know what? We don't say try over here in this household. We say we did. Okay? She did. You know, she did her 1s and 2s, okay? And she gonna get better, okay? The more we practice and stuff like that, she gonna get better, okay? But she was showing up, and that's what counts, okay? She was showing up. So this is the scoreboard, okay? I'm leading, okay? Yeah, you know that, okay? And here we go, my youngest son Javon, okay? Knocking them pins down, okay? The shoes was a little too big, okay? Because he was slipping and sliding. And this guy, praying mantis, okay? You see what it says? Stop. He had on his bowling screen the GOAT. Well, actually, it just said GOAT. Honey, he was so good, he didn't even need the. He just had GOAT. Okay? He knew he was good. Here go my youngest son, Javon. Come on, boy. Okay? All right? Now, honey, you see I'm still leading. Okay? I ain't come here to play. I did not come here to play.